Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get VO3 on Wondershare Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get VO3, you need to update your Filmora, and I'm going to show you the version that you need to have to get VO3. I'm going to check my version. Wait. Oops, sorry. I'm going to click on check for updates. Okay, and this is the latest version of Filmora. You need to have this version, 14.8.17 version. And then I'm going to close it and click on create new project. And then if you want to access the video, you can go to the stock media here and then select AI media. And here you will see VO3. You will be able to generate a video with this feature, image to video, using VO3. And as you can see that we need credits to generate video guys. So you need to buy credits from Filmora to generate a video using VO3 on Filmora. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get VO3 on Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.